In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down questions to a Smartsheet form. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, easy-to-use drop-down so people filling out your form can pick from a list of questions you provide. Start inside your form builder. Look toward the top left and click Add a new field. This is where you choose what kind of input you want to add. From the list of available field types, select Drop-Down List. Choosing this tells Smartsheet you want a single field with preset options that users can select from, rather than typing free-form text. Next, give your new drop-down a clear field name. This is the label people will see on the form, so make it descriptive and straightforward. For example, if your drop-down will hold different questions to choose from, name it something like Select a Question or Choose a Question to answer. A clear name helps form respondents move through quickly without second-guessing. Right below the field name, you'll see the area where you enter the values for your drop-down. Each value you add becomes one selectable option in the list. Values are entered one per line, and pressing Enter creates a new line. Think of each line as one question in your drop-down. Type your first question into the box, press Enter to move to the next line, then type the second question. Keep going, pressing Enter after each one to add the next. If you already have your questions in a list somewhere else, you can paste them in. Each line will become its own option automatically. As you add questions, keep them concise and consistent so they're easy to scan. If two items sound similar, consider simplifying the wording so respondents can quickly tell them apart. You can also maintain a logical order, like grouping related questions together, which makes the drop-down feel more organized. When you're happy with the list, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the form so the drop-down appears exactly as you set it up. That's all there is to it. You've created a drop-down field, named it clearly, added each question as a separate value by pressing Enter between lines, and saved your work. If you ever need to update the list, come back to the same field, edit the values in the box, and save again. This way your drop-down always reflects the questions you want people to choose from. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to add drop-down questions to your Smartsheet form with confidence.